What if you're about to spend extra on Duolingo Max only to discover that most of its biggest upgrades won't actually change the way you learn? That's the question many language learners are asking. And after carefully comparing Duolingo Max with Super Duolingo, the differences become much clearer than the marketing suggests. Super Duolingo already removes ads, gives unlimited hearts, unlimited mistakes, personalized practice, and offline lessons, making it a solid upgrade over the free version. Duolingo Max builds on that by adding AI-powered features like Explain My Answer, which provides extra explanations after incorrect responses, and Roleplay, where you can practice conversations with an AI character. While these tools sound impressive, the real experience depends on how much you value additional explanations and simulated conversations. For beginners, the AI responses can sometimes be helpful for understanding grammar or sentence structure, but they are not always detailed enough to replace a textbook, tutor, or more comprehensive language learning resources. The roleplay feature is interesting for practicing confidence, yet many users may find that the conversations become repetitive over time and don't always reflect natural real-world situations. Another important consideration is price. Duolingo Max costs noticeably more than Super Duolingo, and that higher subscription fee is difficult to justify if your primary goal is simply building vocabulary, grammar, and daily learning habits. Since Super already includes the core premium experience, many learners will likely achieve similar long-term progress without paying for the AI extras. On the other hand, if you enjoy experimenting with new AI technology and want instant explanations built directly into your lessons, Max may offer added convenience. Overall, Duolingo Max is neither a bad product nor an essential upgrade. It introduces useful AI features, but they feel more like optional extras than game-changing improvements. For many people, Super Duolingo delivers the better balance between features and value, while Max is best suited for users who specifically want AI assistance and don't mind paying a premium for those additional tools. Before upgrading, it's worth considering whether those exclusive AI features will genuinely improve your learning experience or simply add another monthly expense without dramatically changing your results.